Does the VWAP trading strategy even work? Are the day trading gurus bluffing about their returns and sharing trading strategies that are overhyped? I have spent years trading the strategies out there before I found the right way to trade. I've created this channel to reveal the performance of every strategy objectively with code. So you don't have to waste your precious time and hard-earned money like I did. This is Trader HC. I created this channel to help traders with their trading careers and develop their own trading strategies. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to support the channel. In this video, I will backtest systematically on a 5-minute chart for the past 3 months. Across 18 major currency pairs, 52 most actively traded US stocks, and 21 most traded cryptocurrencies. We're the only channel that is testing strategies at scale, on different assets, multiple time frames, in recent years to keep the results relevant and being completely transparent with their performance. After finished watching this video, you will know what to expect from this trading strategy and have everything you need to implement the strategy I covered today. Backtesting systematically requires skills and statistics know how to implement it properly without bias. Some YouTubers may handpick a few setups and claim the strategy is profitable, but that is inadequate as the sample size is too small and it is questionable whether they had actually taken the trade. They won't show you what is the overall return, drawdown, and win rate of the strategy so you can manage your expectation and not blow up your account. Their results are often involved in loads of bias that make the trading results can't be replicated. As you'll see, these can have a huge impact on the actual performance of any strategy, and without clear guidance, the information can be misleading and setting false expectations for traders. Only backtesting strategies objectively can produce meaningful and accurate results. As in this video can prove if you should risk your hard-earned money using this strategy. For those who are new to trading, the volume weighted average price, VWAP, is a trading benchmark used by many institutional traders and mutual funds that gives the average price of an asset has traded throughout the day, based on both volume and price. It is important because it allows them to enter and exit the market with the smallest impact on the price as possible. But here is a problem with this trading indicator. VWAP lag behind price because it is an average of past price data, therefore it is most often used in lower time frame by day traders because when traders trade the VWAP on a higher time frame, the opportunity is usually gone. There are also many ways you can trade with the VWAP, but the effectiveness of these VWAP strategies is in doubt, therefore I will be testing a simple VWAP strategy today on a lower time frame to verify its performance. Our trading strategy is simple: we buy when the current bar crosses and closed above the VWAP. And we will sell when the current bar crosses and closed below the VWAP. We will set a dynamic exit of 2.5 ATR. Trading is a probability game. If you are not backtesting the strategy properly to gain a statistical edge, you'll have a tough time becoming profitable in trading. And that's why I'm here. The reason why I created this channel is to show you the real performance of any trading strategy without bias so that you can have an edge over the market. By knowing the historical performance of a trading strategy, you can have a realistic expectation on the return, maximum losses, and the number of trades you'll get in any given period of time. You'll know which assets and time frame to trade in order to be profitable when trading a specific strategy. In the next few minutes, I will show you how profitable the strategy really is on the 18 major currency pairs, the 52 most actively traded US stocks, and the 21 most traded cryptocurrencies right now, their performance on a 5-minute chart for the past 3 months. What is their success percentage and what is the maximum losses during this period? We start with a capital of $1 million for the convenience of reading the metrics, but the performance applies the same and scale with any account size. For day traders, it's critical to trade with a low commission broker, so I will set commission to 0.04% per trade to capture the lower cost of trading. Any commission per trade lower than 0.04% indicates the performance of this strategy will perform even better than in our testing. Only strategies that are profitable after commissions are truly profitable. Before recording this video, I've already tested this strategy and noticed it works best on the M5 timeframe, therefore we will be trading on the 5 minutes chart. Change the time frame to 5 minutes chart and we are ready to go. I'll quickly skim through the unprofitable assets and focus on the assets that are profitable with the VWAP strategy to save your time. Watch the video carefully as it can help you to understand how this strategy works in different assets and how this will significantly affect your returns. Watch till the end to see the performance of the VWAP strategy for every asset in our sample. We can see the strategy performs much better on stocks than currency pairs and cryptos. It makes sense because institutions' orders will have a much larger impact on individual stocks than currencies, therefore VWAP are used more often in the stock market analysis. In our backtesting, we discovered that the most profitable assets to trade with the VWAP strategy are stocks. Remember that VWAP is commonly used for short-term trading like day trading, and it is for traders who can get a very low commission per trade in order to be profitable. The overall performance of any day trading strategy is also heavily relying on the execution of the trader and cannot factor into our testing. Savvy traders should consider extending the backtesting and practice trading on a lower time frame until they gain confidence in executing trades relatively quickly before trading the strategy on a real account. If you find this video useful, hit like and subscribe to this channel to see more related content. And I'll see you in the next video.